Hello everyone, welcome to you on the channel Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn about how to work with two color schemes, add and edit data bars for conditional formatting in Excel. Let's begin with the data now. If you can see, I used here some of the data bars which are red, blue, some other orange colors. Here data bars created, some icons I have used it. I will guide you today how to do this all. First of all, I'm going to remove all these conditional formatting. I'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and this worksheet, all this data bars, I'm going to remove it. Okay. Now I'm going to highlight as a general information, which is normal, standard formatting, no fill, and my normal information is there now. See here, different items are there. If I want to highlight these ones, for example, this is total income of any of the person who is in here in my data now, and I want to see that one, which person is falling under which range. Okay, I'm going to select this all information. Okay, and then what I will do it, I'll go on the top and I will go to the conditional formatting. Okay, and here I can select from here some scales, but I will use it as of now manual. New rule, and here you can see the two scale colors. Here the lowest value and here the highest value. Okay, first of all I will choose the numbers. For example, if somebody is falling in the salary range minimum 15,000 and maximum value will be 25,000. Okay, this one we will reduce to 10,000, which will come in this range. Okay, 10,000, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, apply. Now you can see that one, this data is highlighted based on those values which I have selected. You can select as well. I will go to edit rule and I will tell you how you can do it further. Percentage. Okay, we will choose here its normal percentage. If it is 15% and it is 65%, for example, it will give you, see here now, the color schemes for that one, which are falling in which category. It is there now. It is going to give you the shades. Now sometimes we are looking the data bars which are average of some of the salary, and we are going to take average deviation, that how many employees are positive and how many are falling below the average salary. So to check that one, I used here one formula, and I will do it here for you again. See here, I've used this deviation formula equals to net value minus average of this value up to this value, and I will log the cell information. I want to make it absolute. I don't want to change them. So I put it this one. You can see here my data values are matching, and I will take this value here, bring it here, copy. Now you can see here some of the values are negative, some of them are positive. Okay, now I want to create here some data bars. How to do that one? I will select all my data and I will go to the conditional formatting, and here there are data bars. these are the gradient and solid fields. I will choose the solid fill. Okay, you can see here some values which are positive and some values which are negative. It is giving you the clear picture that who are coming under where, under which value. Okay, see here now. Okay, if I will go to the data bars, I will select all my data, conditional formatting, manage rules and edit. Okay, here you can see the colors as well. If you want to make some changes in the color, you can choose as per your whatever you are looking for. See, I choose this one for example. Now I will apply and the color of these one changed. Now further I will tell you the values. I want to hide these values. I don't want to see or show to value to any of them. I just want the bars. I just click OK. I choose here show bars only. The data will be hidden here. Okay, apply. You can see it here now. The data it is showing here. It was showing here, but now it is hidden here. So you can see it clearly wherever the difference is coming. All positive and negative, it is impact showing. Okay, there is another thing which we can also discuss here. Here the type of minimum and maximum automatically taking. If you want, you can change as per your methodology or formula what you are looking for. You can use here the lowest and over there maximum. If you will see, choose here lowest and here highest value, you will see here the impact. Okay, wherever the lowest and highest will come, you will see that one difference. Okay, so we are using here for example percentile formula. You can choose any of them. So this is the one which is and if you want to choose the border solid color, okay, you will see it will make some the block black shaded color. So this is the methodology to check this average deviation will give the average value of each employee, that how much it is, and either they are falling in between the average salary or they are lower than, for example this employee is lower than the average salary of all the employees. Thank you very much.